Okay, come to page number 261, question number 1. What are trophic levels? Give examples of food chain. Give example of a food chain and state the different trophic level in it. I think this question I already did in the last period, but no problem. We can do it again. Trophic level, troph मतलब होता है nutrition, ठीक है, और food. Nutrition is ultimately come from food. So actually it is actually telling about the food. The trophic level, that is the food level, that is the which level it is coming, which number it is coming in a food chain is called trophic level. So suppose I make a trophic level, this is an algae, this is an algae, and this is eaten by a crustacea, and that becomes food for a frog. And frog is consumed by, say for example, a fish, and fish become food for a crocodile. So this is first trophic level, second trophic level, third trophic level, fourth trophic level, and this is the fifth trophic level. 5 trophic levels are there. First trophic level is always a plant. This is always a plant. Now this is always a plant, rather you can say producer, and from here to here they are consumers. If we talk about the consumer level, this is the first consumer, then second consumer, third and fourth consumer level. Okay, first consumer is always either herbivore or omnivore. Second consumer onwards either carnivore or omnivores. So this is all the details about the trophic level. Question number 1, page 206. Question number 2. What is the role of decomposers in the ecosystem? Decomposers work just opposite to the work of producers. Decomposers are just working opposite to the producer. What do producers do? Producers are combining the simple components and making the complex component that is known as the food or nutrients, maybe carbohydrates, fats, proteins, lipids, nucleic acid, etc. And what do the decomposers do? They will break them back and change them into carbon dioxide, water, and all the different kinds of minerals, etc., and return them back to the environment. So decomposers actually decomposes. Decomposers क्या करते हैं? Breaks complex organic matter of dead bodies, litter or waste, and return them back to environment. For reuse. So हम इनके कहेंगे क्या कर रहे होते हैं? Recycling of organic waste. ठीक है? There are number of things which are produced by the higher organisms. उनको ये वापस पहुंचा रहे होते हैं. ठीक है? टाइम पे आया करो बच्चों. अनुजा, वैदिक नंदवाना, रिजो, and the fourth one is who? Okay, so these are the 2 questions which were given in the page number 261. Come to the next. Page number 264. What is ozone and how it affects the ecosystem? तो ओजोन इज ट्राइएटॉमिक फॉर्म ऑफ द ऑक्सीजन. इट इज द ट्राइएटॉमिक स्पीशीज ऑफ द ऑक्सीजन. एक ऐसा मॉलिक्यूल है जो 3 ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल का मिलके बना हुआ है और एटम का मिलके बना हुआ है. और ये क्या करेगा, इट फॉर्म्स अ लेयर ऑन द अपर एटमॉस्फेयर एंड इट प्रिवेंट्स द एंट्री ऑफ हार्मफुल अल्ट्रावायलेट रेडिएशंस ऑन अर्थ. ठीक है, इट प्रिवेंट्स द एंट्री ऑफ harmful ultraviolet radiation onto earth, and thus it is helpful or it is useful for us because it is preventing the various cause of damage which are caused due to the ultraviolets, maybe that mutation or skin diseases or cancers or क्या कहते हैं वो cataract of the eyes or the loss of color and the many other type of effect. I said productivity of the plants जो है that also decreases and all. So these are the various kind of effects which are caused due to the ultraviolet radiations, and which harmful ultraviolet radiations are prevented to enter into the Earth's atmosphere by ozone. So this way it is useful to the ecosystem, and if it is depleted then it will definitely cause harm to us. ऊर्जा सिरोही, रिजो थॉमस, नमन चतर, क्रिश भाटिया, आ जाओ क्लास में, शक्लें दिखाओ अपनी. डोंट हाइड एनीथिंग, यू आर अ गुड चिल्ड्रन. कोई नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करते हैं. हाउ कैन यू हेल्प इन रिड्यूसिंग द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ वेस्ट डिस्पोजल? गिव एनी 2 methods. Waste disposal. First of all, we should select. Selection should be proper. क्या होना चाहिए selection? We should emphasize more on those substances which are biodegradable. So after the use, when they are returned back to the environment, they are decomposed by the action of by the action of decomposers, and they will be returned back to the environment from where they can be recycled. Again, they will be used by the plants and animals for making new components. तो एक तो ये होगा, that is. Or if there is no possibility of biodegradable substance, then we should emphasize on the recyclable substance. There are so many substances which are available to us which can be recycled, like all the metals can be recycled. ठीक है, glass can be recycled, but a certain kind of plastics are only recyclable. Other plastics are non-recyclable. Non-recyclable plastic should not be used. We should avoid the use of non-recyclable. But the interesting thing is mostly those plastics are only used which are non-recyclable, like all the soft drink bottles. These soft drink bottles are non-recyclable. So once they are used, that will, even if you throw it, which we do very easily, simply dump it into the dustbin or simply throw it anywhere when you are going in the countryside car में, तो आप उठाए फेंके, don't even think कि भाई what will be the future of this bottle, and then that plastic remain there only. तो 2 तरीके से नुकसान कर रही है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इट विल नॉट डिकम्पोज and it will be creating a waste heap, and secondly its substances will not be recycled. So there will be a burden of use of fresh resources. Okay, so I can spare some time to remove some children from the class, those who are not putting their camera on. Shuchi, okay. ऊर्जा सिरोही को मैंने देखा ही नहीं. हु इज दिस गर्ल? आई नेवर सीन हर. एंड भव्य सोनी, मैंने कभी देखा ही नहीं है इसको. सो whenever this video will be played any part of the world, they will come to know in the class. These 2 children were also there. Exercise क्वेश्चन करते हैं ग्रीन में. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, which of the following group contain only biodegradable items? grass, flower and leather. It is biodegradable. सही है. Grass, wood and plastic. No, plastics are not biodegradable. Third, fruit peels, cake and lime juice. ये biodegradable हैं. And the cake, wood and grass, they are also biodegradable. Let me read the question again. Which of the following group contain only biodegradable? So except the B, all 3 are biodegradable. Please read the question in the new books. This must be edited. तो अगर वो अदर वे में है तो उसको उस हिसाब से चेक करना. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंस्टिट्यूट अ फूड चेन? ग्रास, वीट, मैंगो. कैन वीट प्लांट ईट ग्रास? Absolutely not. So this is a wrong option. Grass, goat and human. Of course this is right, but there are many human who don't eat goat. चलो कोई बात नहीं. क्वेश्चन नंबर Point number 3, that is the goat, cow and elephant. So I have not seen any cow eating goat, so this is also a wrong option. And grass, fish and goat. So I have not even seen any fish. No, but then that can be right option, because when we talk about the grass, we are including all the producers. So अगर आप grass को ही लेके चलते हैं, तो it may be possible that the fish may not eat, and in any case goat is not eating fish. तो ये एक रॉन्ग ऑप्शन हुआ. तो सही ऑप्शन कौन सा है? बी. बी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. ग्रास इज ईटन बाय द गोट एंड ह्यूमन ईट्स गोट. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर एनवायरमेंट फ्रेंडली प्रैक्टिसेस? कैरिंग क्लॉथ बैग्स टू पुट परचेसेस वाइल शॉपिंग. ये तो थोड़ा awkward option है. Now cloth bag means it is cotton cloth or it is synthetic cloth. That should have been mentioned. Anyway, we consider it as that it is a cotton cloth. तब तो ये ठीक है. Switching off unnecessary lights and fan. Of course, मेरे यहाँ पे सब off है. तीसरा, walking to the school instead of getting your mother to drop you on her scooter. ये भी गलत है. ये भी सही प्रैक्टिस है. वॉकिंग इज गुड एंड ऑल ऑफ अबव इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. ठीक है, तो वी शुड फॉलो ऑल दिस फोर, बट बी केयरफुल व्हेन यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द कैरिंग क्लॉथ बैग. तो इट शुड बी कॉटन बैग, नॉट दिस सिंथेटिक वन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. व्हाट विल हैपन इफ वी किल ऑल द ऑर्गेनिज्म फ्रॉम वन ट्रॉफिक लेवल? What will happen if we kill all the organisms of one trophic level? One trophic level मतलब अगर हम all producers भी remove और all herbivores भी remove, ठीक है, तो क्या होगा? That ecosystem will collapse. तो चलेगी नहीं आगे. Carnivores are not going to directly feed on grass, or if the plants are not there, how ecosystem will run, because they will not have any energy. So that is why it is necessary that each organism which is there in the ecosystem or trophic level should maintain their place. So this is not a desirable or a good option. तो इसको हमको अवॉइड करना चाहिए, because then the food chain will collapse, and all the food chain collapsing means the ecosystem will collapse. Question number 5. Will the impact of remaining all the organism in the trophic level be different from the different trophic levels? That is all the more dangerous. ठीक है. Can the organism of any trophic level be removed without causing any damage to the ecosystem? If you remember, I said that when I was explaining, like when we remove all the rats, so what effect was there in the ecosystem? Or if you remove all the frogs, or if you remove all the lizards, so the ecosystem may like all that. Why we are emphasizing so much on the project, what you call, Project Tiger, Ranthambore and many other places, or project what you call crocodile. तो हम इनके ऊपर इतना जोर क्यों दे रहे हैं? Because they are the top carnivores. If they are removed, they are not there, which is usually done by the old people. पुराने ज़माने में लोग क्या करते थे? उनको सबको मार देते थे, बोले अरे शेर आया, ये तो नुकसान करता है. So just simply without thinking their use or utility, they used to kill all the lion, tiger or crocodile or the top carnivores. When the top carnivores are removed, then the impact is very bad, because the whole ecosystem become imbalanced. Naman Chatar, where are you? Yashika Jain, Yoshita. So this is what the thing is. Question number 6. What is the biological magnification? Very interesting. And will the level of this magnification be different at the different level of ecosystem? Of course, biomagnification or bioconcentration or biological magnification. एक एग्जाम्पल करते हैं. ये दिस इज Say for example, this was a Michigan lake. Michigan lake is in Washington, US में. And the Michigan lake was in the city of the Washington. It used to be a very beautiful lake, and all the more the beauty was improved by those pelicans. There used to be a large number of pelicans. Pelicans are beautifully looking birds with a long beak and something hanging under their beak. It used to look very beautiful, white and pinkish color. So there were a lot of birds, and they were living in a perfect harmony. People who used to go around this lake where the roads were there, they used to enjoy. People used to come there to enjoy the sceneries during their holidays, Saturdays and Sundays and other holidays. And they used to love to admire the beauty of the lake and the birds around it. Now slowly what they found that the number of pelicans are drastically decreasing, बड़ी तेजी से number कम होने लगे. Now it was a cause of concern to the environmentalists. Some of the people who used to admire this, who used to regularly come there, used to see that this type of birds are there, and how many of those birds were there. अचानक से उन्होंने देखा the number of birds over a period of time of 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, that is being decreased, and those people come into action. See, they are not Indians. हम Indians को तो आदत है, स्पैरोज गायब हो गए, कौवे गायब हो गए, वो बहुत 4 पेपर में आएगा, दैनिक भास्कर में ड्यूरिंग द समर that हमको वो परिडे बांधने हैं so that the birds may drink water and they may not die, and we buy something or some vessel and we fill water and we think that we have done a great job. अब वहाँ पे क्या है, पेलिकन्स के नंबर डिक्रीज हुए. पीपल स्टार्टेड थिंकिंग ओवर इट, दे स्टार्टेड रेजिंग देयर वॉइस. बोले व्हाई द नंबर ऑफ पेलिकन्स आर डिक्रीजिंग, व्हाई, वेयर आर दे गॉन, आर दे किल्ड बाय some poachers, are they caught and exported by some of the people to make money, are they killed and consumed by some of the people. It was a cause of concern. काफी सारे लोग इसके बारे में चिंता कर रहे थे. इन्होंने कहा भाई ये कहाँ गई, where are these birds gone. So many birds were there, and when we used to come earlier, we used to enjoy the scenic beauty of the lake and the birds and the other things around it. अब कहाँ गए वो सब. अब इसके बारे में चिंता कर रहे हैं. लोगों ने इसके लिए एक्शन कमिटीज बना दी, कई सारे ग्रुप बना लिए. याद रखिए दिस इज वे बैक इन द 60s. आज का जमाना नहीं है व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप बना लिया. Yet people have put in the advertisement in the newspaper and all. They made the community concern the people used to meet there at the lakeside and they used to talk and they used to, then they emphasize a lot and the government has to start thinking over it. और उन्होंने उसके ऊपर काफ़ी सारा काम करना शुरू करा. ये तो अब तो तुम जाओ सागर करण चांदवानी, मैं ये काम करता रहूँगा क्या, या मेरे को पढ़ाना है और आई हैव टू टॉक दिस रविश. Vaidik Nandwana, I have not seen your face till date. Naman Mittal, Jao ji. What energy you are saving, I don't know, when you are putting the camera on. And Sarang. Okay. So अब क्या हुआ ना कि मतलब वो बर्ड्स मरने लगी या बर्ड्स के नंबर कम होने लगे, and people started worrying about it and they started thinking over it and they raised their voice and the voice is heard by the government and government started researching on it. Where are these birds going? So उन्होंने सबसे पहले काम क्या किया, उन्होंने वहाँ पे कुछ लोगों को लगा दिया and just to get the information if someone is coming to catch. And some other people were involved, and what they found that the old birds were there, matured birds were there, but the chicks are not there, babies are not there. Now only two worries are there, either these babies are caught and exported or somebody is flicking them, they may be consuming them. बच्चे नहीं दिख रहे हैं, बड़ी बर्ड्स हैं. Then people started keeping an eye onto the nest. Are they making nest? Yes. Are they laying eggs? Yes. Then why the babies are not there? So they started keeping their eyes onto the nest, and what they found, when the birds lays their egg and birds sit on it to giving the warmth or hatching, and the eggs used to break. And that's with the common scene among all the nests. सारे nest के नीचे फूटे हुए अंडे दिखते थे. So now they started thinking कि भाई कौन फोड़ रहा है अंडे? And then they see that whenever a bird is laid egg, they just went there and they took the egg and they started studying the structure. And they found that the shell of the egg is so thin that merely you apply a little bit pressure and the egg breaks. अब ये चीज़ जो है उन्होंने ornithologist and biochemist और उनको सबको दे दिया what is the reason, and they found that the calcium deposition in the eggs is less, and on study they found it is due to the use of DDT, a pesticide. DDT is a pesticide. इंडिया में अभी भी मिलती है. वर्ल्ड ओवर इट इज बैन्ड. वे बैक इन द 60s. एंड ये जितने भी मल्टीनेशनल्स है ना जो ये सारे काम करते हो, क्या करते हैं? देयर इट इज बैन्ड इन देयर कंट्रीज, दे गोस टू सम अदर कंट्री वेयर द सच बैन्स आर नॉट देयर. So many of them have come to India and they set their industries here, and these pesticides were made here, and from here they were exporting to the other places. ठीक है, तो अब ये DDT यूज कर रहे हैं तो क्या हो रहा है? कहाँ से आया DDT? हाउ? क्या बैग रखा हुआ था और बढ़ जाके खा गई DDT? It is not like that. Around the lake, now suppose we take it to the हमारा कोटा का एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं, and natural lake. उसके आसपास कई जगहों के फील्ड्स हैं. रामू का फील्ड, श्यामू का फील्ड, जटक का फील्ड, इब्राहिम का फील्ड, रामेश्वर दयाल का फील्ड, जेम्स अंकल का फील्ड. So there are so many fields are there, and in all these fields they were growing some of the crops. And when the crops are grown, the crops get attacked of the insects. And one of the most commonly available pesticide was DDT. They started spraying the DDT. They started spraying the DDT. And when rain used to come, that DDT used to come into the water. From all the fields, DDT used to come into the water. Now in the water, say for example, it is only this much 0.00005 particles per million of water. 0.00005 particles per million water of DDT. When it entered into the alga, it is suppose 10% it is increased. So अब रहेंगे 0.0005 ppm in algae. ये कहाँ पर है? In water. From algae when it goes to crustacea, it also increases by 10%. Say for example, ये we are putting in, तो ये crustacea में आया कितने हो गए? From there it enters into fish, so it became 0.05 ppm. Frog में डाल देते. Frog तो it became into fish. So 0.5 ppm in fish. And when fish used to be consumed by the pelicans, ये हो गए 5 ppm in pelican, and that is a dangerous level. This is a dangerous level, and it is so dangerous. It was so dangerous that the pelicans could not make their egg with the thick shell, and as a result, their number started decreasing. And that was the cause of concern to the people who were there. इंडिया में होता ही रहता है, ठीक है। सो दिस इज the increase of the amount of harmful pesticides in the food chain as we grow from the lower level to higher level is called biomagnification. Rewind it and listen to again definition. Increase of harmful pesticides in a food chain as we move from the lower to higher trophic level, and the level becomes so dangerous that it may be fatal for them. वो उनके लिए लाइफ थ्रेटनिंग हो सकता है, ठीक है। तो दिस इज कॉल्ड बायोमैग्निफिकेशन और बायो कंसंट्रेशन और बायोलॉजिकल कंसंट्रेशन, ठीक है। सो इट हैज टू बी थॉट वेल बिफोर द यूज ऑफ पेस्टिसाइड, ठीक है। एंड इन आवर कंट्री कौन सोचता है, फार्मर को कुछ भी नहीं पता होता है, वो जाता है दुकान पे, भाई साहब हमारा खेत में इलियाँ लाग गई, वो दुकानदार बोलता है कि अच्छा ये 3 बोतल ले जाओ, पानी में घोल के डाल देना। They never think of plus and minus of it. And if you remember some years back when Sunita Narayanan tested all the cold drinks, and she found that there was a increased level of pesticides present in those cold drinks, and the source was this only. खेतों में आपने डाले पेस्टिसाइड वही आ गया। अब any company uses this water, simply purifies it, then the DDT will be there or any other pesticide. DDT is the common name of that time. आजकल हजारों तरह के पेस्टिसाइड्स हैं, so the level of pesticides will go on increasing, ठीक है। Thank you children, that's all for today.